Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix follow button not working on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to follow someone on TikTok like this, let me show you here, and it's not working for you, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly guys, close this page and you have to make sure that you have an updated version of TikTok. Just simply open Play Store, App Store, and there you have to make sure that you have an updated version. If you have an updated version and still it's not working for you, then you have to open settings. In case of Android phone, just simply tap on app management. In the case of iPhone, just simply tap on general. Then iPhone storage, then look at for TikTok on both devices and just simply offload the app in iPhone and just simply clear storage in Android phone. And after that you will be logged out from your TikTok account. Just simply log in back and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, then it means this may be a network problem, so you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, and then you have to turn it off again and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If it's still not working for you, just simply open general, then you have to scroll it down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, then you have to tap on reset, then you have to reset your network setting. So just simply reset your network setting and then restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you have to open any browser in your phone. Just simply open Don't Detector TikTok and just simply make sure that if TikTok link is not on. If TikTok link is on, then it means this is a bug from TikTok, so you have to wait some hours, and after some hours your problem automatically will be fixed. If TikTok link is not done, then you have some limit to follow people. Okay guys, so you have crossed your limit in 24 hours. So after 24 hours your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.